how to find page frequently asked questions settings on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find page frequently asked questions settings on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find these three lines in the top corner. Click on it and then scroll down and you will find pages. Click on it. Now select your page and then just click this settings icon here and then click messaging, and here you can find it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.